How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guys channel. And before we get this video going, I want to thank everybody, all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, it's free. That's, leave a like, share, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around. And I want to tell everybody Happy Easter. This is Good Friday today. I know by the time you watch this it won't be, but I hope everybody has a good Easter weekend. And remember what the season's for. Alright, well, this video is going to be my shop truck group build, hosted by Robert over there at Deep Junk Garage. And I'll show you what I've gotten done on it so far. Like I showed you before, I'm using the C1 models over there in England from the UK. You can see the box there. It really don't show no box art, but it's the Volkswagen panel truck. Y'all, if y'all have never ordered, and I'm not being sponsored by them or nothing, but if you haven't ever ordered from C1, them guys are awesome. Matter of fact, I might show you one of the C1 kits that I've built already here in a minute, just to show it to you. But I'm using that, and then the it says to use the Tamiya Volkswagen Beetle kit, but I don't want to run the Tamiya Volkswagen, which I got 4 or 5 of them, but I still don't want to mess that kit. That's too good of a kit to mess up. But this one is perfect for it. I got a bunch of these. I got 4 or 5 of these. It's the same thing as the Herbie Beetle, and it's the same thing as the Coca-Cola one that just come out. They're all the same. They haven't changed. They're the same vehicle. This one here is in the Spider-Man livery, and it's kind of a snap-together kit, but it's a good one. It comes with some BRMs and some MP5 spokes, which I'm not going to use any of them either. I'll use them for some other Volkswagens. But this is my donor kit, and I know it says that no, it's 124. That's the reason why I'm using it, is 124. Because like the Revell, the old Revell kits are 125. The newer Revell kit, and I had several of them, and it's a 124. But it's kind of a crappy kit as far as I'm concerned. I've been a Volkswagen man all my life. I mean, I don't have none no more, but last ones I sold was here just been about 3 or 4 years ago. I had a 70 convertible. I had a 65 Beetle. I had my Volksrod. Y'all seen that one. I've had Rabbits. I've had Beetles. I've had Golfs. I've had them all. And I know Volkswagens. That Revell Volkswagen's terrible. That new one that they got. It's everything's not proportioned right. It's not a very good kit as far as me knowing Volkswagens. I mean, it looks good when you build it, put it on the shelf, and just put it away over there. But the underneath, everything, the pan, all kinds of stuff's just wrong about the car. But that being said, okay, I didn't want to waste my Tamiya kit, so I'm using this kit, and it works perfect. And matter of fact, I'm going to shut up and turn around and show you what I've done. Alright. Alright, guys. Y'all excuse the mess here. I bumped my camera here. What is it? Alright. There she is. She's mocked up. Get a little closer here, because if I move her right now, she's going to fall apart. But alright, I've lowered her down. If I had some smaller low profile tires for the front, I would put some on there, but I don't have none that I can find in my parts box that'll work with these wheels for some reason. But maybe I'll find something, maybe I won't. But so this is what I got done so far. You can see right there, she's got a good stance. She's lowered. She's lowered in the back and in the front. I'd like for her to go down a little more in the front with some low profile tires, but right now I don't have none. You can see in the back right there, I resin cast me a Porsche engine from the 356 Enthusiast kit from Fujimi. From the 356, that's the Porsche engine right there. I just got, the carburetors on the block. Don't know if you can see it real good or not. And there's the shroud for it and some of the other parts, but you can see I made the partial up here. I cut it out because this kit, you couldn't see the engine in it anyway because it would have been a curbside kit. So what I did was I'm changing it up because for it to work the way this kit was supposed to be, where this right here, this floor would have been down here, and technically it would have had to run the Volkswagen pancake engine like they had in the buses and stuff like that back in the day, the early buses. I mean the later buses, not early buses, later buses. And then the notchbacks and stuff had the pancake engine where you pulled a little thing up and the engine was underneath. Well, that wasn't going to work for me. I want to show the engine, and two, I'll just do it like the old buses did. You raised it up, you could see the engine, and then you had the partial tray or the floor up higher, and then it stepped down, and then it leveled off down here. So that's what the premise I'm going for right there. And then with this on here, of course, I'll have to tweak a little bit more and everything, but this will raise up. I'm trying to do this without knocking anything off. But see, you'll look through the window and you'll just see the tray. When you raise, or the floor, when you raise it up, then boom, you'll see the Porsche engine, which will be wired, detailed, and painted and all that. But right now, this is the way she is. And then, of course, the spare tire can go underneath here. Of course, like I was talking about that Revell kit, it didn't even have none of this underneath here. You just glued the dang hood on there, and that was that. You got your gas tank to detail out. You got your washer bottle, your spare tire. I mean, of course, the running board just fell off. I just had it on there just to mock it up. But I've cut the door panels out, and I got them in there, which you can't really see with this mock up the way I got it right now, but that's pretty much it right now. Try to bring this in a little bit closer. Maybe you can see inside there what I've done. And then like I said, I'm kind of going back and forth with the colors on here. Big Charlie from Big Charlie's Model Garage, he's contacted me. We've been talking back and forth, and we're kind of going over colors for this thing right here. And he said something about doing like a tan with the red wheels and stuff, and that'd look good. That really would. I ain't made my mind. I might not. I don't know. But I'm thinking I will use this silver right here. This is a sterling silver metallic. It's a American Motors color. It's old Model Masters paint I got. I thought about using silver. Paint the thing silver. And then paint the wheels a darker red. And then just whatever decals I can come up with. I might need some help from my buddy Justin to make me some decals. And Justin knows who he is, J Hart Models. Make some decals for Volkswagen parts and service or something like that. And I don't know, Wilkins and Sons on the door or something like that. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But yeah, that's it. That's what my shop truck's going to be. I want to thank Robert for hosting this. This is something I could really get behind. And hope y'all enjoyed what I gotten done so far. And now the step is I kind of got her mocked up, know what I'm going to do with it. Doing a lot of cleanup because that's a resin body. I'll have to do a lot of cleanup, hole filling. I'm not running bumpers on this car. Yeah, y'all see what I'm going to put different hubcaps on it. Those hubcaps right there, don't stick out farther enough for me. I want the earlier Volkswagen hubcaps on it, uh, which I got all those parts and everything. And that's probably what I'm going to wind up doing with her. Let's throw that aside here. And I've had to do a lot of cutting on that, believe me, to make all that. Matter of fact, hell, it's got to come apart anyway. So let's just do this. Oh, I'm going to pull this whole thing off underneath here. If I can get it off there. Look at all that cutting and mocking I've had to do right there. I had to extend, you can see right there where I extended the tubes out to make this front end work right. It was in too far, the tires were in too far, just all kinds of crap. I had to just hollow all this out pretty much, make this bigger, hog it out to where my little Porsche engine right there. There's the dual carbs, the fan shroud. Of course, it's all got to be cleaned up and everything, but of course, you know, it'll set in there like that. You can see in there it's a Porsche engine, so it'll all come together. It'll all work out, but yeah, that's what I've gotten done so far. I'm just going to throw this over to the side and show you my other C1. I told you I've messed with these C1 kits before. You can see that right there. That's my Nissan Sunny pickup, and it's got the this whole front clip I had to cut off and put on here, and it's the C1 models. It's like a GTR. What is that thing called? A Hakasuka? Guys, I'm butchering it all up. I'm from Arkansas, so you know the deal. But it's that Hakasuka, or I don't even know how you say it, front kit. I put the Watanabe wheels on it. It's got the oil cooler on the front there. And the thing about this is I put a Datsun engine in it. It ain't my best work at all. I could do better. And matter of fact, I need to go in there and redo all that and kind of make it better. But right now, I'm not worried about it. It's just a little shelf queen. Nothing perfect, but that was a fun kit to build. So if y'all ain't never messed with C1, get over there and do that. But that's it right there, guys. But alright, I'm going to shut up, get off here. Happy Easter. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you to all my subscribers. Bye.